Hey, Hans fan, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, Aduane Pafie, where sumptuous, healthy, and amazing food recipes are brought to you at your doorsteps. Today's recipe is nkate nkonto, aka palm nuts, groundnuts, and taro leaf soup. Guys, it's very delicious. I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe at home. So without talking much, let's get to the kitchen, and you know how we do it. I will start by washing off my palm nuts with clean water, after which I add good amounts of water and put it on fire. All work and no play makes Hans a dull boy. Aduane noa kakra, enijie kakra, perfecto. At this juncture, I'll proceed with my blendables. That is blending of my ginger, garlic, onion, green petit bell pepper, everything blendable. Blend it and add just a little bit of tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. I'm using Tasty Tom. And guys, don't forget to add your cloves. Emma Aduane no, yam, de, akono, soko, hana. Yes. So guys, just add a little water and blend. I'm adding my protein at this point in time. That is my meat. And please take note of this. Ingredients, as always, are listed in the description box below. So please check it out and make sure you add everything in the right proportion. Adding my red powdered pepper, all natural spice, and seasoning cube. Please take note of this, half a tablet of seasoning cube for the seasoning or marinating of my protein. Yes. My blendable goes in at this point in time. Give it a good stir. And guys, don't forget to add your chopped onions to it. Cover it and allow it to simmer for some few minutes. Let's fry our groundnut paste, but guys, I will do that with my Tasty Tom tomato paste, just a little one. Add to my groundnut paste good amount of water, mix it properly, and guys, put it on fire to allow it to cook for some few minutes as well. Prekese jamedu a ofiti kroti a na ni ho agi efiemu. Yeah, guys, I know you all know this. I will be adding it to my pot of soup. It makes your soup smell so nice and taste so good. Plus, it's healthy. The profudin so dear, guys, and one kasa tetra plura. Then. Check it out for yourself. Now be who easy cry. So at this point in time, I'm washing my mortar and pestle. The made be what abeno. And on a as you can see on your screen. Charlie, guys, all these acrobatics for you. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? For the love of Hans Kitchen, Charlie, click on the subscribe button. Click on it, and you will love this channel. Checking up on my soup at this point in time. and it is the perfect time to add my fish. For someone who said namdie, ebubu easily, it breaks easily. That is why I'm adding my fish at this point in time. And give it a gentle stir. After which I will be adding my palm nut puree or mixture, and also my groundnut paste puree or mixture as well. Give it a good stir, add my seasoning cube of choice, and allow it to cook for some time. This is how to use your prekese. Just roast it for some few minutes and it will bring out the nice flavor and aroma. Charlie, aji baby, sentinel, aji baby. Add it to your pot of soup. Then guys, voila, ejumanu AC. As my soup is almost ready, I will be adding my taro leaves at this point in time. That's my nkonto leaves to my pot of soup and allow it to cook gently for some few minutes. And guys, my soup will be ready. And please don't forget to add your crushed bakposhito. Ladies and gentlemen, Newshmen, Shangshmen, Messieurs et Mesdames, finally, it's about to go down. Guys, finally, the palm nut soup is ready. Guys, it's ready. If you know, I said, Alande, Charlie. At this point in time, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, I mean a very big one, click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And also, don't forget to share this amazing recipe with a loved one. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Like, most importantly, try out this amazing recipe at home. And see you with another video. So after my soup settling down for some time, you can see on the surface of the soup good amount of palm oil. This is the healthiest and tastiest of all palm oil you can use in preparing your okra stew, mpoto amongst many others. So guys, I'm separating or fetching good amount of the palm oil into my container or storage bowl, put it in my refrigerator and use it when needed. Guys, Charlie, I'm about to enjoy this delicious soup with some fufu. You can enjoy this with plain rice ball, banku, akple, or almost any carbohydrates of your choice. Charlie, makasa bebre ma break. Emrena so say, menso meka manu ashe. Ehun say yes, pa Hans Kitchen die. Eduane pa day. Your diet, my headache. See you with another video. Bye guys.